Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves, and Rig Ready Used. So I'm here to answer your questions on our single rear wheel drives or dually, which is better and what is more ideal for the situation you're in. So dualies are more ideal if you're doing a lot of the heavy towing and over the payload and tow load of a 1 ton with the single rear wheel. Another question we get asked here is, does dually cost more to maintain than a single rear wheel drive? No, it does not, because the dualies are made for the heavy duty situations, and the cost doesn't really differ from single rear wheel to the dualies. And so another question we're asked is, when is single rear wheel not enough? So as I said before, the dually is more for the heavy duty side of things, and it is honestly, unless you're towing more than the payload of a 1 ton single rear wheel, then it's not really necessary for a dually, unless you just like the look or you just want one. And then another question we are asked is both resale value. Is there a difference between the two? Yes and no. I mean, they both sell relatively the same based on cost. Percentage wise, they do sell for, they do resell for relatively the same amount. So nothing crazy in that regard, but yeah, again, the dualies do sell a little bit more to just the heavy duty customers, whereas single rear wheels sell more broad to people other than just heavy duty like the dualies. If you have more questions, you can come visit us here in store in Redwater, or you can give us a call at 780-942-3629.